horses out, Lovable Princess, fast to begin, moving a party out, so now is Manila's Gem. Daredevil in between horses, alongside Long Nose Hawk, Supreme Leader, Danori inside, Enjoy the Flight, and Blue Shake is the early trailer by about 7 to 8 lengths up the pace. Meanwhile, 3 runners fighting it out for the lead. Manila's Gem now takes the lead by about half a length. Danori inside, Lovable Princess, Daredevil in the middle, Supreme Leader alongside Long Nose Hawk, Enjoy the Flight, and Blue Shake trails the field. And that's still Manila's Gem by a length and a half. Long Nose Hawk in second, Supreme Leaders, Danori inside. Then 2 lengths away in fourth, Enjoy the Flight, Danori inside, Daredevil, Lovable Princess, and Blue Shake. Manila's Gem still in front by about half a length. The Supreme Leader is running by trail second, Long Nose Hawk in third, Enjoy the Flight, Daredevil, Blue Shake, and Lovable Princess. As they come down at the last 150, Manila's Gem by about 2 lengths now. And in second, moving up, Enjoy the Flight, Supreme Leader, Long Nose Hawk. Last 75 meters, Manila's Gem now strides away by about 4 lengths. And finally, Manila's Gem, Enjoy the Flight, Supreme Leader, Long Nose Hawk, Blue Shake, Daredevil, and Lovable Princess.
Manila's Gem, kanina